How you doing today, guys? This is Alex Gomez, your favorite teacher in the whole world. Today we're gonna do Common Assessment 5, the correction. So we have similar figures, and we're looking for x. We were looking for x. So we have a big one and the small one, and I have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going fast because we should already know how to do this. So I have big over small, 1 and 2, because I'm looking for number 2. So B1, when I look at B1, I get 12.5. When I look at S1, I got 5. When I look at S2, I have 12. And when I look at B2, I have X. And I had to do cross products. So I have 5X equals to 12 times 12.5, which gave me 150. You divide by 5, so x equals to 30. My answer was C. Again, you have to recognize which one was the corresponding sides and start from there. Next one, another proportion problem. We have a palm tree that's casting a shadow and a 6-foot sign. So we have a palm tree and a sign. And I have the height and the shadow. So I'm going to set up my proportions. A palm tree that is casting a shadow of 28 feet long. So palm tree, shadow, 28, right here. And then a 6-foot sign. So the sign is 6 foot and it casts a shadow of 8. And I'm looking for how tall is the palm tree. So first of all, I gotta see if I can multiply 6 by something to get 8, or 8 by something to get 28. If I can't, I have to do cross product. So this is gonna be 8x equals to 28 times 6, which is 168. And then I divide by 8, so x equals 21. 2, 1, 2, 1. That's the answer. Next one. Two angles are complementary. Complementary, that means they add up to 90 degrees. If one of them is 63, what's the measure of the other angle? So all you have to do was subtract, and you get 27. Any questions on that one? Next one. What is the missing angle? I'm not looking for x. I'm looking for angle. Some of you picked A because you set them equal to 180 and solve for x, but you have to read the prompt. In this case, it's just looking for the missing angle. So this has to be a total of 180, and if you already have 45, all you gotta do is subtract, and your answer is 135. I'm not looking for x. 45 is x. But I'm not looking for x, I'm looking for the missing angle. Next one. This one, I am looking for the value of x. And I know the triangle, they have to equal 180. So I have 3x plus 11 plus 25 plus 90 has to be 180. When I combine all the like terms, 11 plus 25 plus 90, I get 126. I still have the 3x plus equals 180. Subtract 126. So from 180 minus 126, I get 54. So 3x equals to 54. I divide by 3. So x equals to 18. That was my answer. Again, the three sides of the three angles have to equal 180. Now, Number 6, Sam is placing a rope of lights around the edge of a circular path with a diameter of 18. If I'm finding around the edge, I'm looking for the circumference. For the circumference, is just pi times diameter, which is 3.14 times 18. 3.14 times 18 gives me an answer of 56.52. That's the circumference. That's the answer. And these are feet. So the answer was C. For circumference, you need the diameter. If the diameter is already given to you, all you have to do is multiply by 3.14. Number 7. Now I gotta find the area. For area, I have pi times radius square, or pi times radius times radius. So in this one, I do need the radius, and I'm given the diameter. So the radius is diameter divided by 2, which is 4.5. So I'm gonna do 3.14 times 4.5 times 4.5. So 4.5 square is, these two give you 20.25 times 3.14. So, you know, 20 times 3 is going to be close to 60. So it's not going to be this one. It's not going to be that one. It's only between those two. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be C. So let's see. 20.25 times 3.14 gives you 63.585, which is rounded to that. 63.6 centimeters squared. Number 8, we got to find the area of the composite figure below. So I'm given a rectangle, and I'm given two semicircles. Two semicircles make a whole circle. So I got to find the area for the rectangle, which is just base times height, which is 30 by 14, which is 420. So this is 420. This is inches squared. Now the area for the circle is pi r squared, or pi times radius times radius. Now in this case, on the circle, I'm given 14, which is the diameter, but I need the radius, and the radius is just half of that. So it is 7. 7 times 7 times 3.14. This gives you 49 times 3.14, which gives you 153.86. And all you have to do now is add the two areas together. This and this, add them together, and you get 573.86 inches squared. So my answer was D. They rounded to the next whole number. Any questions on that one? Next one, I'm looking for the shaded area. So that means I'm going to take out the white pieces. I'm going to take away the white spaces. So I have a big rectangle and two smaller rectangles that I got to take away. So first I'm going to find the area of the big rectangle, which is 24 by 48, which is 1152. And then the area of the small ones is 18 by 17, which is 306, but I got two of them. So I'm going to subtract 612, and my answer is 540. When I subtract them, I get 540 inches squared. That's it for today, guys. You have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.